Let's see. Everything connected for the first time after a long time. And we have the streaming working. I honestly even forgot how to freaking copy paste the link of the live stream. Absolutely insane. It's been a long time. And we just as well probably missed a trade, possible trade, but it's okay. It's a long day. We're gonna be here for trading at least one or two trades. So we have the time for it. I'm gonna share only the streaming. Chat. Yeah, Aitamu, what's up, my friend? Yes, I am Moroccan, but I don't speak Arabic. I'm sorry, man. So my Arabic is good. I speak Berber Shriha, so I speak it, but I'm not good at it. So I mostly use English on the trading world. And let's see, I'm looking right now at the 50s. 50s, both. Honestly, I have to figure out the hour chart. We can look at it together. What is the hour chart here? Come on. The hour chart looks great. It has a support area here at around 800, 850. So we might look for scalps. I'm just waiting to see this candle, how this hour candle closes. If this hour candle closes green with this, some strong push, then I might look for, some correction and giving a nice bounce around this area. So that's what I'm looking right now. And let's see if we get it. Oh wow. Okay, I did a mistake. I had to put back this one, but okay, you can see that I'm not used to use Quant Tower. It is now converted one of my charts in only one. Wow, never knew that there was a possibility for it. And now I have to put back all the things I had. Good morning, guy man. What's up? It's been a long time. I told you I would come back, and finally came back today. How are you, man? Did you trade today, or you're like me? You're waiting. I'm just being cautious of not trading the first half an hour and then count possible trade later on. Still waiting. Yeah. How do you trade, guy man? It's like a scalper. You're, I guess, a scalper as well. I'm looking as well to wait for just a scalp right now. And what a pain. I did a mistake and now I'm fixing out everything I've done. Where is the Nasdaq? I need Nasdaq 5-minute chart. Found it. And the 5-minute chart is perfect. Oh my god. What a mistake I've done here. EMA. Where's my EMA? Here. 21. Please put it back. That was the 50. Okay. Is day trader next door? Okay, I think I've heard of that guy before. I think I've heard of him before. And do you like him as a trader? Is he a good trader on it? Always I realize now that I always say 21 MEA when this is a 50 MEA. I missed the 50 entries right now, to be honest. It's okay, but there was a nice 50 entries here. It was a nice area. of support. The heck I've done here. Nice support area. TMA adding as well. Nice bounce, risking the 40s here as a stop loss, so 10 points. And it was a nice trade, to be honest. But let's see what rates will come. The 50s are usually at a good level to enter. I think he's bad, but he's sell a course. Ah, okay, like many people that makes money from selling course than actual trading. And I unfortunately there are so many of them. There are so many of them that they sell courses, courses, or they make more money from affiliate than it is with trading. Let's see if we hopefully get this one. Yeah, I mean, don't trust it. Honestly, there are many that don't make money from trading and are just they are very active on YouTube and they have a following and they make good money from selling courses, making affiliate and stuff like that. So mostly of their money comes from that, and then they show you the good life, but then in reality is they have nothing. They have literally nothing. Man, I was like you before. I was trading only ES before, and I also enjoyed it. But somehow, man, I cannot handle it anymore. I had a strategy on that account, on that type of future, but January and February were the worst one, the worst month ever. And I tried my best, but I end up changing and following a different type of strategy. So that's why you see me with the trading Nasdaq. Okay, 10 a.m. I don't know if there was a news right now. So because the candle is moving strange, let me check it very quick. I'm not sure about it. Is there a news? That's bad from my side. I mean, it is not moving anyway, so 10 a.m. consumer confidence. Yes, there was a news before. Tomorrow we have FOMC. So today we have to be careful that we might get useless price action. Yeah, consumer confidence. Yeah, it's moving straight. Not that much. Honestly, it's kind of blocked there. I'm looking if I should try the 60s. But no, I don't, if it will be asking too much. I'll try again the 50s if it happens to come to the 50s. I'm looking at it, but I will give it time. I want to have only 1 or 2 scalps that are, perfect as I want, and I don't have to worry about it, 1, 2 scalps, nailed it, are enough to make your day, especially if you take for 10 points on Nasdaq. You can really get $200 like nothing, or $300 if you aim for more points. Okay, now I figured out there is no ATR here. Indicators, what is it? ATR. I messed up everything before at the beginning of the live. That's it. And I want it on 9. Perfect. Yeah, man. I honestly, before I was like trading so much, and you get the FOMO now. For example, in this case, you're like, oh my God, it's moving without me and everything. Then after years or months of losing, you realize that you're gonna miss trades all the time. You're gonna miss move all the time. You just need to wait until a good place come. You take 1 good trade, 2 good trades, and freaking call it. And that's it. And really, that's it. That's what I'm trying to be good at right now and be done. But sometimes, definitely, sometimes it's not easy because we are still Stupid traders, I guess. We still do dumb shit. Oh my god. Okay, it's rejecting. It is a nice objection area here. So here we have the news that came at 8:30 a.m. So the news came out, was negative. Now it just bought back the news. And now we are just looking for, let's see. It liquidated now all these people that were shorting. It liquidated also these people that were shorting here. So this can be the short that will start the downside momentum because it got both liquidity. And let's see, I'm not going to enter anymore on the 50s right now because it will be go against this liquidity, and I don't want that. I will look, I'm going to wait and see what we create here. If we break below the 50s, then I will look for a rejection on the 50s, on the short side. It does not make sense to right now to go long after we have had this spike and we got all these people that were shorting the news. Man, I don't have VWAP. It's been a while I haven't used it. Even I think it's not anymore available in Quant Hour, so that's kind of sucks. But I got used to it to don't watch it. So I guess if wait, I'm trying to guess where VWAP would be. Would be somewhere here, I guess. No, ET. Let me see. Let me open my trading view before I tell you some stupid. Wait, give me a second. I'm looking to see what is it. Oh yeah, you told me there is. So you're using Quant Tower as well? Oh, I see you, my friend. I see you right now. Look at this. I guess because I have the basic version, so it does not allow me. Volume analysis. I'm poor, guys. I'm poor. I'm poor. Okay, I'm sorry. I had it for a Ninja Trader, to be honest, but but I don't have anymore. I've stopped using Ninja Trader, so I don't know if it's I'm just now trying to check. Okay, so it is somewhere here, the view up. Yeah, I know. I had it for Ninja, but because I tried to change on Quant to try it, it feels great for the moment, but I don't have many things. But honestly, it's a good. It doesn't matter. I really only need that there is a copy trading on it. That's all I can show you. There is now a copy trading here. I'm copy trading the main account 18 and on other 2 PAs with the same multiplier. So that's the only things I care, and the fact that I have the moving average, the 50 that I'm using right now, and that's all. For the rest, I really don't care much. Less information you have, I guess it's sometimes it what? Oh my God! Are you waiting for something, guy? Man, I don't understand if guy is your name or you're just guy name as is a fun name because you have a. because as well in Discord you have the same, so I really don't know what is your real name, so I can remember it. Can we get a trade? Yeah, okay. It was just to be sure. I don't know. Maybe your name is some Asian name and is just guy. So I was like, I cannot assume. So then I would be insulting. I need to be careful. Like Naruto. Like okay. You mean Naruto, the guy like the teacher with the best friend of Ikachi. No, Itachi. I'm so stupid. Naruto, Sasuke, Sakura, professor, teacher. I forgot the name of the teacher. Team 7. Naruto, Sakura, Sasuke. Man, I forgot the name. What was the freaking name of the teacher? Became the 5th Hokage. Man, please help me. I need to know. I'm really blocked right now. Let me see. Naruto, Team 7. P7, blah blah blah. Yeah, Sasuke, blah blah blah. Kakashi. I'm freaking hell. Kakashi was the name. I was trying to remember the name of it, but Kakashi. Okay, guys, we are making some wicks on the 5-minute chart here, and means that with this liquidity grab got. Now people are trying to buy. The 60s were a good entry, but as I said before, this liquidity grab was too risky to go against it. I'm just waiting for this market to go down. Give me a 50 short side and I will be happy to enter. Yeah, man, Kakashi. I was like in my head I had Hitachi. But I'm Naruto, I like Naruto, but I'm not a fan of Naruto. I'm more a One Piece side guy, and other animes. But Naruto was kind of boring at the end. Was the final war was kind of repetitive, and I don't know. Okay, we're getting the 50s. We're getting the rejection. The 15-minute chart looks amazing for rejection right now. I love this. I'm just trying to understand if this will give us a bounce, or like a quick bounce, or this is better to just wait it and short it. Figuring it out very quick. I think it doesn't. It's better to wait. I don't like it. Yeah, and it's an old one, like many years of episodes, especially One Piece from the 99, 98, whatever, was like 20 years ago it came out. Okay, we are on the 50s. It broke it below. Nice, beautiful. Okay, I'm happy that I did not enter long. Now let's see if we can get Yeah, we're breaking out to the downside. I'm looking if we can. This is the previous 15 minutes low, so it would be nice to break this 15 minutes low. And I don't want to enter now, right now on this short. I would like to see some candles below, and then we come and reject the 50s, because then it's too early like this. It still can be a bounce of the 50s MEA. Especially we did not liquidate these lows here. That's kind of okay. The 10 points would have managed to resist, and now I would have moved my stop loss to break even. That's interesting. Okay, it's pushing. Well, I like that. Kind of like that. So many. Okay. So that's good. We're really pulling back. The 5 minutes candle looks great right now. A lot of liquidity of these lows here, but not this one here. That's kind of the only things that sucks. If this one got liquidated, I would have looked for longs, but letting it ride like this. Just trying to be sure that I want just one good trade and call it a day. I don't wanna take useless trades off. And I'm not really. Yeah, man, better to wait right now because for the moment it's kind of weird. Okay, the 50s came out to be nice, but really not much. Not much right now. Also, today is the last day of the 80% with the Apex, so I have to figure it out if I should buy new accounts later on, try to buy them and then try to pass them the next days, or just let it go for the moment and don't focus on evaluations. Because when you buy new evaluation, you're like excited and you start to think, I can make this amount of money if I pass this and I get 10 PAs. But freaking passing evaluation the last period has been a pain for me. And I bought the last 6 evaluation I bought. I did all of them. Hello, yes, man. Thank you for commenting, because you were looking for the chat. Thank you for commenting, man. Appreciate a lot. This helps a lot. These YouTube algorithm things. Bunox, no. I did not try any other professions. I tried in the past Top Step, but Apex for the moment, I love it because I can for the moment I got payouts. I can increase the amount, and I can increase the amount, and I can get to up to 20 PAs, copy them in one shot, kind of like that. Okay, guys, I'm thinking I'm going to look for a long on the 60s. Huh? This looks a good long for me. If it just looking for this support here to work again, and the 50 adding itself, and give it a nice second push to push higher. Let's see if I will get stopped out on this one and I get liquidated, and we cry together. Not together, no. I hope in your case you win. I'm gonna probably look for 15 points on this one. If I get filled, of course. $305. $5 to cover the commission. Yeah, I think you do. This is kind of a bit pushed, but I like the fact that it created this it grabbed this liquidity, and now maybe it's gonna retest the 60s. I leave the order there. Yeah, no, yeah, definitely follow your strategy, man. Opening range, yeah, I was like hoping range, but it makes sense. It really makes sense. What time the market opened here? 9:30. Here it opened, and the first 50 minutes closed here, so that's still on opening range. I agree with that. I was, yeah, I was like hoping range. I never heard of that. What is a hoping range? Okay, is it gonna fill me? We're gonna accept our. I'm gonna just remove the order and wait for the next possibilities. But kind of like it. If it can just snap, take me in, fill me, and then we are good to go. I'm just looking if the candles, if they make sense. And I like ES as well for the moment. ES is good. Kind of the moment of silence when you're in a trade, right? You the nerve starts to come in, and then you want to be more relaxed as possible, but emotions are still kicking in no matter what. Come on, put me in the trade, and then we're good. It's kind of it got slower right now. Right, I would like as well to, okay. I'm gonna zoom it for you guys, and I'm gonna change the colors of these. I have to do it from the setting. So I'd like to give you better order entry. Let's see, visual trading, orders, positions. Cannot really, I can do it, but it's a bit of a pain now. Okay. Are we gonna get filled? Okay, we got filled. We are longer, guys. Let's see. First trade of the day. We're bouncing on the 60s right now. Hopefully we get the bounce right away. Right away above these levels, above the 65, will give us the chance to get this long working. Okay, not at all. This support is not coming in effect at all, but we give it the time. The 10 points I'm providing. Oh, I did a mistake on the, okay, it doesn't matter. One tick more, one tick less. Come on, give us this push. Push, 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 push. Oh, I didn't even see it before I get distracted. Stop loss in break even. Okay, the 10 points would have been a really hit, but I like the fact that we have the ATR at 12, so I'm looking for more points. Is this this greedy factor is gonna take me out from this trade? Probably yes, and my $200 are not there anymore. Nice entry, thank you. The exit, we will see if I did correctly to ask for 15 points. instead of my usual 10 points. This is gonna be the interesting factor right now. And we'll see. Stopped. Not stopped out. Wow, not stopped out. Not stopped out. Some weeks here, I mean, it looks good for 15 points. I'm gonna leave it there. Let's be real traders, good traders. My plan was 15 points. There is no reason for me to touch a plan that I was evaluating when my mind was clear and was clean. Now my mind is not clear because I'm in a trade. So whatever I think right now, it does not make sense anymore on the execution matter that I have planned before. So I say this sentence just to remind it to myself as well. And we got stopped out. Break even, $10. And we got literally $10. Yeah, man, it is a good things to do, right? Because my idea was 15 points because it didn't make sense for me that I was risking 10 points and the TR was good to look for more points. In trade, in days like where you think you can get more points because the strategy allows you, then there is no need to be scared. Yeah, definitely the 10 points would have hit, but it would have been a $200 in each account, $600. But with the if we don't do anything in life. So first trade is gone. Glad it was break even at least. That was good. Now I'm gonna look what we can get out from this next situation. The 60s are still offering support, but I don't want to enter on a level that I already tried and it did not work out right away. So whatever it happens right now, I don't care anymore. And I'm gonna wait for the next entry. So this trade came out to be break-even trade. And why it does not show it here, I really don't know, guys. I really don't know why it does not show my trades. I'm gonna try to work on this drawing style to if I can show you. Okay, we're kind of right now still rejecting, my friend. I mean, not really, still there. I'm trying to see where I can improve the colors. Or make it at least bigger. I don't know. I have to spend time on it and figure out. Yeah, show trades. That's good. That's good. I managed to do that at least. Size larger. I think it makes sense. And instead of orange, because already orange is there, maybe use something like white. No. Yellow makes sense. So I bought and I closed in sorry, I bought and I closed the position later on with a sell. That's good. Wow, that's beautiful. We were looking for this. Glad. So now you see it liquidates this. You see that's the power of understanding that the fact that this did not get liquidated, it was a possibility for it to come back. And as well, mainly this was the main liquidity of the day for the moment. breaking the market, the pre-market high before news, and this one. Yeah, I took the buyers out. Yeah, and now what we can do now. I'm looking if is this gonna take the buyers out and continue lower. If it does that, then I would love to show the 50s. But I would love to see some confirmation of the candles coming back slightly here below, making it that the short is continuing to be strong. Oh my god. Oh, I have to stop recording the screen as I got stopped out. So you're looking for the same thing, right? Yeah. If this shows it, then all these downside will be broken and will be nice. All these downside here, we have a nice line. Not this one, and oh freaking hell. And all these will be broken. Okay, I like it. We're kind of making it. If it gives us this short, I'm gonna try it. The 60s will be a nice stop loss. Yeah, I like the 60s as a stop loss. $200. What do you mean with the 200? Eat the bid. Ah, you mean a 200 contract? Someone with 200 contracts or something like that? Okay, wow. Now we're breaking, huh? Beautiful stopped out there. Beautiful. Yes. Contracts. Yes. Wow, that's a lot of ES contracts done. I'm looking right now. It's at 180.28 the price, and it's going lower. This is going to engulf the previous hour candle. I'm super happy with this stopped out. That was amazing. And beautiful that I did not enter again. Beautiful. I'm happy. This is, even if I was looking for more points, this was a beautiful trade. Hopefully it will give us the 50s as a retest. Yeah, this will be the best. This area here right now, but the main area of retest is this one. And it's the 40s. And now I'm debating if I should short the 40s or short the 50s. The 40s will be, of course, more aggressive. At 35. 135. In yes, like you said before, you're speaking about yes. Yes, I like the retest of that 35. I see what you mean. I'm looking at the hour chart. Another 325. It means that selling is coming here. Yeah, it is pushing. It is pushing. Looking maybe to short the 40s. Did not yet leave the order. I'm looking at it. This looks great for a short. That's a massive one. Okay, it's coming up. Should I 40s here? I prefer the 50s. I'm gonna keep for the moment the 50s, the short. Come on. I'm just keeping for the moment the short on the 50s. The 40s are here. She did not touch the 40s anyway. So it's getting some trouble to get the 40s in anyway. So I'm looking maybe to short the 40s right away. Gonna give it a shot on the 40s. I'm gonna give it a shot, guys. 40s as a shot. Let's see. Yes, that's what I love about Quant Tower. Does not Ninja Trader Ninja Trader. TradeWet allows to do that. Ninja Trader does not allow to do that. But Quant Tower is amazing. It allows to do that. So you can move your stop loss and take profit before the order get filled. It's amazing. I love it as well. So if I see that I don't like my stop loss, I don't have to wait for the order to get filled, and then then I move it. Where did you get filled, my friend? Where did you get filled? In yes, you say, because you trade only yes. So I can look at it as well with you. And I guess short side. Which is your entry? So now I'm looking at ES. Okay, we're gonna get short. What is the short right now? We didn't get filled, guys. We did not get filled. 128. So you're on the kind of level right now where you entered. What is your stop loss in that case? Are we gonna get filled on the 40s? Let's go. Come on, fill us on the 40s and reject. 33 stop loss. So you have room. You have room for it. Okay, I got filled, guys. Short on ES, on Nasdaq. I wanted to say I'm short on Nasdaq. Looking for. I'm gonna take the 10 points this time. And my stop loss is already in break even. This came out very nice as a rejection. Stop loss is in break even. I cannot lose anything from this trade. It's beautiful. I was waiting for this 40s. Beautiful area of rejection that came out on the 5-minute chart. So no matter what now, if I get stop loss in break even, it's a good trade no matter what. I'm not gonna touch the 10 points. That is the minimum profit target for this kind of trades. If I go for less, then it does not make sense. So here on the right, you can profit. Beautiful, guys. One trade, 10 points. Let's go. Let's go. 28, and I see your entry, Guyman, for your starting profit right now. Your half point, a tick in profit. Let's go. Let's go. Beautiful, beautiful trade, this one. Quick one on the 40s. I was looking at this area. Looking at the 50s, but this area, I'm gonna move it to the 5-minute chart so I can show you the reason of this area was beautiful. And you can see it here. All these weeks and all these weeks here could bring a rejection on this level. So that's why I decided to enter on that 40s as an entry. Beautiful, beautiful entry. Now let's go and see what do we get from the market again. Thank you. Yes, thank you. Thank you so much, man. That was a nice trade. That was a good feeling, honestly. Came out nice, break even quick. And even now, if it comes back, not greedy on it, not greedy on the 15 points. These 15 points would have not been my profit, and I would have got stopped out and getting break even. So this one, maybe I was too greedy, but the plan was dictated before the execution. So no matter what, the plan was decided. Ooh, look at this, another 40 short. It came out in no time. Short again, and 10 points. Wow, that would have been a nice again 10 points. points, and that was would have already closed my day. Also was a nice profit. I'm looking as well at your guy short. 33 is your stop loss. You still have you have a really nice room. What is your take profit on that? Full port long. Jose, how are you, man? Yeah, I took a short, Jose, here, and I took a long here, but stopped out in break even. 120 is your take profit. Ah, you, that's nice. So on the loss, on that, on the loss of the day, yeah, just below of it. I like that. I think it's gonna go down. It's just a matter of time right now that for the market to correct. Allah, thank you, man. You see this beautiful execution. Man, finally I'm trading in the New York session after a long time. I finished the work and then I was available. So that's the good side finally. Come on. Oh, this is probably probably even a 50 short will come out as a trade in the end. Looking at it, maybe to try a 50 shorts. But today is inside range. Yeah, especially for the news of tomorrow. Yes, FOMC that is coming tomorrow. I think that is the main problem. Yeah, I feel you, man. Especially I feel for the 15-minute breaks. This one was a good break, I guess, but the others were just a pain. And it's this. Yeah, I think we're gonna just go down. It's just a matter of when you're gonna get the momentum to the downside. Just have your stop loss respected, my friend, no matter what. Respect your stop loss, and you will be good. If you respected the plan you had in your mind before you entered. Yeah, until FOMC, shorts are the best things, short scalps, because market just doesn't really have strong direction. Okay, it's getting this rejection right now. I'm looking if I should short the 50s. I like the 50s. I'm gonna give it a short on that side. I like it. Cannot take it. I'm about to get ripped. I think we're gonna get this short still working for a nice scalp here on the downside. Just a matter of now getting the 50s as a scalp. And we got short. Oh, we're gonna get ripped. Oh my god. We have the 10-point stop loss, so we might close the day in break even. Wow. RIP, yes, man. Rip for me. I'll give it the time. We don't need to rush it. I have the 10 points as a stop loss, and I don't need to worry about it. The execution is there. The plan was there. It's just a matter of time. If I get stopped out, I think it's the moment to call it and close the live. Well, that was beautiful stopped out. Wow. This trade came out like in no time. Wow. Yeah, I'm out. I closed it. I'm done. This was the third trade after taking one break even. That sucked. I guess in the end, this one brought my day to be break even, because if this one was a nice 10 points. The reality is I'm not fighting the trend. The trend is is on the short, mostly on the 50-minute chart. So I was looking for a rejection on the 50s that came out very often here. And on the 5-minute chart, we're still more making lower lows, higher low, whatever. But it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. And I'm not looking anyway for big moves, because if I will tell you, you're right. If I'm like looking for a big move and I'm like, okay, I'm fighting for the trend, I'm looking for a scalp, for rejection. And like these 40s here, it came out perfectly, but this one did not come, unfortunately, as we wanted. Peace and love. Yeah, it is okay. It's just it's normal. So I'm not gonna burn it on it. It is what it is. Honestly, yes. Good day to be break even, to be honest. Thanks to this scalp here, I'm in break even. This scalp would have been with this one would have been $400, but now there is nothing else to look. Gonna change the tile to break two lose one loser, one winner trade. Changing the title. I'm sorry, guy, that you were stopped out. These things really was horrible, and we got stopped out. It is what it is, my friend. We have to accept it. I think it's like the guy said, because of just news tomorrow, there is nothing much that we can do today, and just accepting it and moving on. It sucks, but these things we became liquidity in the end, and this Sphinx is ripping off. It is what it is. But the good side is I like that I'm doing, at least I'm trading with you, so I can be as well. I can show and I can respect my trades by showing to you how I trade and everything. This strategy came out last month because of trading the London session, and I had to change it and not trade anymore the breaks. So I'm finding myself very good on this strategy, and it's just a matter of getting the good trades. Today break even. Yesterday I lost $100, and the days before were like only winners of 300, 300, 300. So the account is at 50,643, and the other account is at 52,397. Great for the moment. No complaints regarding it, and it's easy. Okay, it was a nice hour of live trading somehow. It already 1 hour passed. Or am I wrong? Yeah, 1 hour. It's already a lot. Huh? I don't think I'm gonna take any other trades. The only things would make sense is to wait for this to break out. But wait for this to break out, it will be just putting yourself too much stress and too much on the monitor. 1 hour of trading is enough per day. If you manage to read the market on it, good. If you don't read the market on it, better to call it and have a nice day off, because when you don't read it, it's the moment that you just make mistakes and over mistakes. Here, after you get I got stopped out, my brain can start to think about going long, because it starts to see it pushing above my stop loss. But maybe it does not make sense if I was in a clear mind without any trades. And I would be like, no, shorts makes more sense. It still makes more sense. But yeah, man, I'm gonna call it right now. I think 1 hour was good enough, and it was nice, to be honest. Thank you, Guy, for coming and commenting. Thank you, Yes99, man. Thank you very much, and thank you, Jose. Like always, we're 3 people, and the first one, Haitan, that commented at the beginning. Appreciate it, guys. Appreciate all of you, and yeah, I wish you the best, and see you tomorrow, my friend, and see you in Discord. Wish you the best, man, and good luck.